Let's go with the pedophile bird. Oh my god, I'm being chased by fucking Drake. Hey guys, welcome back. And today we are going to be playing Indigo Park. Now, I've seen this literally all over my feed on TikTok. And I know I have not finished and seen what happens, even though I really want to. I know that it is about like a rundown amusement park, I think. And there are these like animatronics and mascots chasing you. I haven't seen much. This looks creepy as fuck. So let's get started. New game. I don't have a save. Aww. This guy, I think his name is Rambly, right? He's so cute. Isaac Indigo. Indigo Park.
For all who journey to this newfound paradise, we welcome you.
Ugh.
Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to call your own. In
Is
this
it?
place, echoes of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the exciting potential of tomorrow. Indigo Park pays homage to the values,
What
dreams,
the
and
hell?
unwavering truths
So it's like,
that gave rise to our great nation.
well,
Prepare
like
to embark on the journey of a
Disneyland.
lifetime, a place of creativity, joy, and adventure.
What the fuck?
Where your dreams
What is our role in this? Oh. That music kinda... Oh my god, yeah. Eat him up. Whoa. Don't hurt him now. Who the hell is that? Mom's favorite. Molly. I'm gonna pass on this one. Careful, Ed. So we're recording, I guess. Oh, I don't like that. This is hard. Okay. Oh my god. This is crazy. What the freak? Yeah. That was a crazy intro. Chapter 1, Birds of a Feather. That was crazy. Okay. I'm getting into it. Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Okay. So we gotta find a way into the park. This is creepy. Oh, no, 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 no. What?
Hi there.
Oh my
and
god.
welcome to Indigo Park,
What's
the
up?
world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience. Jump into the world of your favorite character. Wait, you're our first guest in 2,920
What?
days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds.
So you're sentient.
Congratulations! I'm Rambly the raccoon. And
Hey.
it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most can be. Just hop on over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
Hell no. I don't want to. What?
Hi,
Oh.
I'm Rambly the raccoon.
Oh my
And
god.
it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get a good look at you.
Get away from me.
Don't seem to have your face in our guest list.
How do you know?
Is this your first time here at the park?
Maybe.
Or did you just get plastic surgery?
None of your business.
No worries. It's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount.
It's
on
not
your
Tuesday,
visit.
it's
Just follow me
It's
to the
Sunday.
main gate. Ooh, I can't wait for you to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
Main gate. I don't want to meet Rambly at the main gate. I want to go home. I'm here.
What's the holdup? The gate is open. Head on into the entryway.
Do you not know the difference between open and closed?
My mistake. The gate is not open.
Yeah.
There seems to be an error message being sent from the gate's power unit.
That sucks.
Lucky you!
What?
You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini-ramp adventure. Have fun!
Oh, hell no. You got me fucked up.
Ah, the Indigo Violet compact
Oh.
power generator. But it seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
I don't want to. Did y'all hear that shit? Nah, you've got me fucked up. I don't want to do this anymore. What am I looking for? A piece? Like a gear? Oh, that? Okay. Stop it. There are little plushies. I didn't even notice. Where's... right here.
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo Park.
Boy, what the fuck? What the hell? What's good, buddy? Oh. That was the bird. Wasn't her name like Molly? Coconut. Sorry.
Oh, silly Ramley. Every guest needs a critter cuff.
What the fuck is a
That will
critter
allow you
cuff?
access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff. I think there's some in the gift shop.
Go
Get in there and I'll
home.
get you set up.
Excuse me? I don't like this.
Here you
Oh,
go, buddy.
fuck
Your
you.
very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park that also doubles as a pedometer, heart monitor, and mood ring. Data disclosure agreement included.
Give me that shit. I got drip. Now what? Guys, I have a sore throat. I don't want to do this no more. Is there anything else? No.
Uh-oh, the door mysteriously locked.
Fuck you!
Why not test out your band and save the day?
What? What you mean? Oh.
Hooray! Great
Let
work,
me
buddy.
out.
Now try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo adventure.
I genuinely don't... I can't tell you how much I don't want to do that, dude. Guys, did I ever tell you I have a fear of big open places? Because this is one of them. What? Oh, okay. Oh, hell no. Let me out! Let me out! God damn it. If I have to go in any underwater fucking location, I'm losing my mind. Can't go through there.
Pardon
Oh,
us,
fuck
buddy.
you.
Looks like the park is going through some renovation.
It needs a renovation.
Convenience, your Rambly Tuesday discount will be 3% off. Why not celebrate this great deal with a ride on my railroad?
I don't want
Test your
to.
sleuthing skills. I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
It's right there. Ugh. You're freaky. I don't like this.
Your facial data suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience for this ride.
No. You know what? I'm gonna go pee before I continue this. I'll be back. Walking in.
It's one of my favorites. Do you know why Rambly directly
Fuck you.
loves Rambly's Railroad?
Oh, hell no. Why?
I like trains.
Me too. Dude, where'd that bitch go? Oh, I do not fuck with that big yellow bitch. Oh my god, looking like Big Bird. Get me on this goddamn train. I'm scared. I didn't like that. Oh. Well, that's nice music. What is this?
Welcome to Rambly's Railroad.
You're so cute.
Dr. Rambly.
Are you? Oh, whoa. I don't want to be on here no more. Look at his little dance. Okay. Oh, it's that big yellow bitch.
Molly McCaw.
Fuck you.
Molly McCaw, the greatest pilot you ever saw.
On God.
You sure are, Mal. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
I'm not crashing, family. I'm barnstorming.
What's
Is this the motherfucker that caused 9/11? Oh my god, this motherfucker that caused 9/11.
Say, those young adventurers you got along with you look like great pilots.
Yippee!
Try your hand at flying in my ride. Rooftop racing.
No, thank you.
included with your critter cop?
He's still dancing. What a guy. Da, 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 da. I like this. Oh, I don't like this though.
Oh, Finley, come on out and greet the people.
No. Oh!
Hi, Rambly.
Why the long face and body?
You've known me for 100 years, Rambly. I'm always long because I'm always
He reminds me of Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, Finley, you should come out of your shell.
How about you come into it instead?
Excuse me?
My ride, Oceanic Odyssey, will teach you all
I don't want to go to that ride.
wonders down
Can we leave? I feel bad.
It's as
Let's go.
blue as me.
You're green. You're a liar. You're green.
Visit.
I'm not visiting. You can stay lonely.
Oceanic Odyssey currently closed for repair.
Good. What? What happened? Can you shut up? Oh my god. Oh! He hurts Lloyd. Don't give a fuck what he does. Is she gonna be gone? She was gone. I don't know where she was before, but she was gone. Was that supposed to be Lloyd's, like, enclosure thing? Oh no, that's Lloyd.
Hey there, Lloyd.
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the proud, the prestigious, the professional Lloydford L. Lion, actor tour extraordinaire.
You know what? I'd hate this motherfucker too.
Great act, Lloyd.
Honestly.
Of course it was. I'm the
Bro, yaps. Dude, I did not like that. I know that bitch is gone. She was gone. Get me the I want so far out of this place.
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right?
No.
Now you know all about my friends. And Lloyd. So,
Lloyd.
where do you want to go?
Out of here. I want out. This place is creepy as hell. Why am I here, dude? There's a theater. That's Lloyd's theater. Can I leave? What's in here? It's a cafe. I could eat. What the frick? What is that? Visit an information kiosk. I haven't found one of those. Can I? No. What the heck? What you got on the menu? Damn, these prices ain't bad. Shoot. Wait a minute. A bucket of ice cream for $9? Dog! What the frick?
Hey, buddy, come over here.
Why? Oh, fuck this music.
This here is an information kiosk. If there's anything around the park you want to ask me
Okay.
about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it.
Oh, okay. What about...
Ooh, that's a Rambly cup. Nothing beats the taste of fresh Rambleberry juice drunk directly out of my plastic, lifeless head.
Oh boy, what's that say? When I was a kid, they used to have free unlimited refills on these things. I once drank so much bird up that I got sick and threw up while riding rooftop races. That poor kid behind me. I remember when my mom took us to the parks that one summer. Her favorite was always Molly, so when they first opened the new Molly meet and greet and Jetstream's Junction, we were some of the first in line.
Oh, a Molly plush. She's always been my best friend. Did you know she builds planes in her landing pad at the park?
She crashed him
And
too?
then she crashes
I
it.
fucking knew it.
She's so talented.
What a supporter. The sea serpent always kind of freaked me out. I love aquariums and fish, but the sights of them always made me feel uneasy as a kid. I hate both of them.
My buddy Finley. You know, he's really shy. Like too shy. Like obnoxiously shy.
What's going on with that clock?
I hope you get to meet him someday.
I don't want to meet that motherfucker. Here's my buddy. Kind of feels like Rambly has a whole empire now, being the main man of Indigo and all.
Congratulations! You found me! Don't I look adorable?
I guess. I feel like as a kid, Indigo used Lloyd a lot more. He was always one of my favorites.
Lloyd.
Can I?
Lloyd.
That's all he has to say. Okay. And I'm missing a bunch of things. What's in here? Is there a sign? No. Oh, right there. Hey. I wanna read about this guy. He's yellow. Is he a different character or is it just Rambly and, well, yellow? Yeah, so wait, they're so money hungry that they just recolored Rambly? Yeah.
Wow, is that a limited edition gold Rambly plush? Parents were fighting tooth and nail for those things when they came out.
I'm sure they were.
Seriously, our employees had to clean up so many stray teeth and nails. Hard to believe there was
Okay.
a demand for a regular Rambly plush we just blasted with gold spray paint.
You know what? At least he's true to himself. Dude, I don't like this. Shop of photos. That place is closed. Jetstream Junction.
Wow, look at that! You're at Jetstream Junction. Oops, looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up.
Let me in.
I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater.
At
Maybe a
Lloyd's
friendly wrangler can
Strange.
help you get in.
Okay. Well, I want to explore the rest of the area. It's just Rambly. Did I go in there? Did I? Yeah, I think I did. Let's see. What have I yet to look at? Did I? I just came from up there. Oh, it's a Ferris wheel. That's nice. I think. Can I get up there and hide from these sons of bitches? Or is that big ass bird gonna come in with her fucking plane? Oh my god. I did not like that big bitch. Lloyd live. Lloyd! Hola! Take forever, why don't you? Oh. Lloyd? What is good, my friend? No? Hell no. It does not look like Lloyd want to be fucked with. Let me out. God damn it. Please. It's like the one motherfucker you don't go mess with, bruh. You do not fuck with it. Oh. No.
Hey, buddy, I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. If you're going back there, be careful. Your critter cup is not yet able to resuscitate you.
Excuse me? Okay. You know what? What if I want to go this way instead? I lied. I don't want to go that way. Can I... What's that? Piano? Ooh. Yeah. Getting jiggy with it. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, kill him. It's so much nicer. I don't want to go through this. I don't want to. You make me do some fucked up shit. Oh, yeah. Excuse me? Do you see... No. Options. Hold up. Fix that shit. Y'all see that big bitch? What's up, cuh? Oh, hell no. Fuck you. Give me... Stop. You're not funny. Where is he? I don't like that. Ah, fuck you! Yeah, you bitch, that's what you get. Move. Get me the fuck about. Get me out. Get me out. I want out. There's a door. Go through the door. What's that say? Wrangler's only good. Give me that. Hell no. Hell no. I hear him. Use the key to unlock. Okay. Go. Run. Just run. Run, don't look back. Hold sprint. That shit, it saves lives. Go. Gotta go fast. I'm an expert at this game. No. I don't want it. Let me up. Hell no. Get me out. Let me out. Hurry up, move. Hello? Oh my god! What's up? Hello? Oh! Get me the fuck about. Oh. I don't give a fuck. Get me out. I'm gone. I'm so far gone. I wasn't even here to begin with. Get me out of this goddamn sick wacko place. I see why you don't like Lloyd. I get it. Oh my god. I just felt my nipples twist in a fucking circle. Oh, fuck you, you big bitch. Oh, dear Lord. What happened to Big Bird? And all of a sudden it's bright. I gotta fix the thing. Whew. No. What? Why did I do that? Quit messing with shit. Alright, maybe it's just always like that. I swear it was options. Okay. God, quit doing that. Okay. Oh, it's that thing again. Did I pick up anything new? No. Dude, I did not like that. Oh my god, that made my heart hurt. Let me in. Dear Lord. Isn't this where that big bitch is? The bird?
Say, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races?
I don't want
Not
to.
far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Molly's landing pad.
Do I have to? Rooftop races. You know what? No. Fine. Just keep going up. What if I don't wanna?
Oh no, this is horrible. Looks like Molly crashed into the ride again.
Don't you
worry,
live
though.
here?
Your pal Ramley has the repairman on speed dial.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service.
Yeah, nice repairman,
Check the
genius.
number and dial again.
Who gave this idiot a phone?
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad?
Do I have to?
It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride.
We didn't even go on the ride!
Down from Molly's rooftop races.
Fine. I can't believe he's making me walk all the way back down here. What's over here? What's good, gang? Oh. What is this? What are you? You like a dog or a sheep? I guess I'll figure it out when I go to the information kiosk. Cause this is another character I'm gonna have to go fuck with. Cause there were only 3 of them bitches in the ride. Okay, I'm not about this life. Alright, that's the landing pad. What if I want to go look at the garage, huh? Doesn't she build planes or whatever? Oh, it's like a food court. Okay, I can get behind that. Like an airplane themed. Okay. Can I jump? No. Darn. We'll get them next time. What you got? Burgers and okay. Not a bad selection. Bird up. Oh, that's the stuff that we apparently drank when we were little. We threw up. You're a nasty ass kid. What's over here? Oh, it's like a machine. I can play. Okay. Oh my god. That was loud. Aw, we're so cute. We're playing as Rambly. Oh my god! Oh, we can double jump. I'm not too worried. I mean, I don't think it doesn't affect us if we don't collect them all, right? Aw, they're having a date. That's cute. The graphics are kind of weird. Whoa. That was weird. Launched in the air. What the heck? Okay, whatever. It's weird that it's like real, but it isn't. I mean, the music is cute. Let me down. Or up. Whatever. Molly! What happened? Actually, she ain't even yellow. Oh, what's that thing? Salem. Looks like my smokescreen made her crash right on target. Salem. I should have known you were behind this. You shady as a skunk. Let her go. Nah. Straight up. Nuh-uh. How's about I try my new potion? Mommy, look out. So he's a sorcerer. I thought he was a ninja. Now what? Too slow, dumpster face. Well, that's not nice. That's slow. What did you do to her? Turn her purple! Improved Molly Macaw. I don't want to meet her. Friendship garbage stopping her from tearing you to pieces. That's not cool. What she really thinks of you now. Have fun finding out. His laugh is... what the fuck was that laugh? What? I did it. Oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Okay. I guess we have to go to rooftop races. That was so weird. What's over here? There's something over here. It's another dog. That's so weird. I mean, alright. Is there any information kiosk up here that I could look at? Oh, no. What? Oh. No. We had, it was the landing pad. I thought I picked up that dog over there then. Okay. Let me in. Oh, this is joyous. This is joyful. I like this. This is cute. It's a purple star. I don't know if that's the puzzle, but... Oh, whoa. I didn't mean to. Oh, do we have to? Y'all saw that shit. Hell no. Mm-mm. Okay. You big bitch, I hear you. Fuck you. Oh, you yellow bird bitch. She went this way. Where you at? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What? Oh. Okay. So, red star. Okay. Red star. Easy, easy, easy. God damn. Red star, green triangle. Red star, green triangle. Oh my god. Red star, green triangle. Blue star. Man, how the hell? Get me up! Crap. I know that big bird is laughing in my face right now because I can't get up her stupid trampoline. Finally. Blue star. Okay. Ah! Oh! Fuck you! Fuck you so much. Can I go down these slides? Awesome. What was it again? What was it again? Blue star. Was it red triangle, green star? No. Green triangle. Actually, I messed around Discord. Fuck that. Which means... Okay, we're just gonna... Oh. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Let me up this bitch. Oh my god. I do not like Big Bird. Go down the slide. Go down the slide. Maybe she ain't here. Oh my god. I didn't like that. I don't like that. I can't tell you how much I didn't like that. What does this do? Okay. I need to recoup. I don't want to do this. Where am I? Oh, right. Okay. Why can't I go through there? What? I can't go through that. Did I click? Yeah. Weird. No. Let me the fuck in. Now. No. 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 Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Oh, Big Bird's after me. Big Bird's after me. Big Bird after me. Oh, you like touching children. You like touching children. Oh my god, if you touch me. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Oh my god, go away. Oh my god, I hear her. I don't know where she's at. Go away! Oh my god, Big Bird's. Oh my god, if you touch me, you like kids. If you touch me, you like kids. Oh my god, my heart, my heart, my heart. Go, 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 go. Where is she? Where is she? No, I don't care where she is. Just go. Why am I not running faster? Oh my god. Hell no, hell no, hell no. Ah! Ah! Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Fuck you, you evil bitch. You were caught by Molly McCaw. Repeat words that she's heard. Don't be fooled. Oh my god, I don't want to respawn. That was scary! Oh my god. My heart. Okay. Open that like 9 different times. Okay, okay, okay. Guys, we got this. Lock in. Yep, 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 yep. Hurry up. Let me in, let me in, let me in. Go, 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 go. Can't catch me, can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Oh my god, I hear her. Her and her big ass feet. Big Bird's a son of a bitch, dude. Oh hell no. Aren't you supposed to be a flying? Why? Your game is supposed to be about flying. Why are you chasing me through a playpen? Go away. Go so far away. God, I don't even know how to... I hate the trampolines in this. when she's faster than me? She can fly. This is cheating. How? How'd you get me? How do I get through this? I don't get it. Oh my god. Okay. We can do this. I gotta lock in. Okay. Let's go with the pedophile bird. Oh my god, I'm being chased by fucking Drake. Oh! Fuck you. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, I'm a minor. Don't touch me, I'm a minor. Don't touch me, I'm a minor. If you touch me, you like kids. If you touch me, you like kids. Oh my god, I'm being chased by Drake. I forgot I was supposed to go through that tube. I'm not locked in, I'm not locked in. Go. Oh my god, run. Wait. Okay, run, run, run. Through here. Is this where I died? This is where I died. Okay. Maybe it's like above, like I just walk straight. Oh my god, she's literally right behind me. I hear her fat footsteps. Oh my god, it is. Okay. Run, 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 run. Go, 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 go. Yeah, yeah. Eat him up. Okay. I'm stuck. Oh my god. Where am I? You know what? I don't care. Go. I'm not running till this music stops. Where? This way. I hear her. Oh my god, she's right behind me. She's right fucking behind me. Oh my god. What's good? I don't care! Move! Thank you! Let me in, 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 let me in. Drake! Drake, please!
Welcome to the Rambley's Wranglers Register.
Oh my god, Kendrick got his ass!
I can see in your facial tracking that you're scary, angry, upset.
No!
It's an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so I need to be honest about something.
What?
The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped
Big surprise.
to the mascot, sir. I just was so excited.
Oh my god, my heart hurts. My
Wanted to be sure
my
you had
pulse.
the best experience possible. But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park is fallen into. Wasting all of your fun time.
Fun!
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Can I leave now?
But I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database.
Oh.
Can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user.
I don't want.
You must have come here because the park
No!
belongs to you too.
It doesn't.
Would you be willing to help me restore the park? I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this.
I'm very opposed.
I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
I feel like I should apologize. I just decapitated one of his friends.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers registered room.
Okay.
Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler register security room to set yourself free. Phew, kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel. A Rambley's Wrangler.
What's back this way, though?
Uh-oh, that Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers.
How did I become a Royal
One day
Wrangler?
You'll grow up big and strong enough to
Oh.
enter it. But for now, don't.
Okay. Damn, fuck you, too. Can I pick that up? No. Okay, whatever. I got something out of it. Let me out. Damn, that bitch was scary. Use the security cameras. Huh. Oh, that's where I came from. That's the train station. Then that's her ride. She's dead now. Okay, whatever. Anything? No collectibles. Okay. Dude, oh my god. That got me pumped. Oh my god. That was scary. I did not like Big Bird. Wait. Am I in graveyard? There's a cross. Oh. Okay. Let me don't know what that is. Poodle. It's a weird poodle plush. Doesn't seem to be an Indigo product. She looks like you, maybe a child.
Hey, buddy, did you dig that out of the lost and found? Or was it in the trash? No surprise, I guess, that our park would dispose of a non-Indigo brand toy. I suppose he'd make playtime special for a child with poor taste, though.
Damn, shade. What about this?
Whoa, where'd you get that? Rambleberries are my favorite.
Rambleberry.
If only I could jump out of the screen and take a big...
Yeah.
Don't eat it! Maybe I'll be able to one day!
Mine. Wait, we looked at that and that. Retro. I was finding weird when companies make.
I don't get why we even have them. Now, why do they only make one of Lloyd? Is it because he's the loudest? I can be loud too! Where's my limited edition throwback plush?
You had a gold one.
Where's Spindly's? Give this mistake to a child and they'll cry.
Oh my god. Damn. Okay. I think that's all. I like the music from the information. What did I say when we were going through the train ride? Did I or did I not say that I was not going to go through the Oceanic Odyssey? Play it back. Play it back. I'm not visiting. I'm not visiting. I'm not visiting. I said I wasn't going through this bitch. I don't. No. No.
You made it to Oceanic Odyssey.
Fuck
You're
you.
doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
Oh.
You'll find a pumper and porpoises, pickles, and perches as far as the eye can see.
Oh.
Please don't tap the glass. You really know what
Fuck.
Hey, buddy. You okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I can do a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park?
No.
Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're up for a lark, stick around
my
for the
God.
Rainplay review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Were you satisfied with the rides?
No.
Were you satisfied with your guide?
No.
Do you plan to come back?
No.
See you again?
No.
Did your experience
I.
tell a friend about us?
That was frightening.
Earn your trust
Not a chance.
at Indigo
Park.
There is a stark contrast to
I didn't like that.
everything I know this place should be.
Oh, look at the credits.
But out of the dark, you've
Whew.
given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's
Oh.
faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine.
Oh my God.
To get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going.
I don't
Idea.
think I want
Know
to.
all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambly Review Part 2 to sell you on our task.
No.
I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're gonna return. I'm so happy you rode a ride and saw the show. I'm so happy to be your guide. More than you know. So come back anytime. I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. At least I hope I do. At Indigo Park.
Oh my God. I don't know how to feel about that. That was.
Thing I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine.
It's catchy. I'll give it that. But I don't know. That was scary. I'm guessing this is the end of chapter 1. That. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind.
Well, I got some bad news. I just killed one of your friends.
See you next time, buddy. Please.
Wow. Oh my god. That was insane. I gotta... Thank you, yeah. Hey, main menu. I mean, like, round of applause. That was awesome. I don't like horror games. They scare the crap out of me. And that was amazing. That was excellent. I mean, like, hats off to the creator of this game. That was awesome. I was scared. I'm gonna be so real. I should not have played this at 2 in the morning, but for mascot horror is something that is really overdone in my opinion. I mean, you have franchises, you have, you know, over and over, Five Nights at Freddy's, Poppy Playtime, that one garden game, like, it's just over and over. Indigo Park does something new with that, if that makes sense. Like, in those games, you're usually in one room fending off, you know, animatronics or doing whatever. Indigo Park feels different. You can just tell. And it's not necessarily... I mean, it's so interesting the way they put that together. Like, with Lloyd the Lion, you weren't... I don't think you could get jump scared at that point. I mean, not like restart jump scared, but having like the sounds of him walking around and growling and feeling like you're going to have to run away, that puts something in you. And I'm really curious to know why he let us go. Like, it was definitely, I feel like it was the sound, right? But then the shock of Molly, like, cause I mean, I could definitely feel that she was going to come out and get me, and it was gonna be a chase scene, but I did not expect her to be decapitated. I didn't expect there to be blood. I mean, it's clear that these mascots are real, maybe not people, but things. And I mean, just, wow. And I want to know, I don't know if Rambly is simply in the computer or what, but as scared as I am for the next chapter, because y'all know I don't like ocean horror, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for chapter 2, and I hope you guys are too. And if you are, I would love to see you guys show your support. Be sure to like and comment on this video. Let me know that you want to see chapter 2, and I will definitely see you guys next time. Goodbye!